Hello, to get new lock screen clock styles on the Realme 14 Pro Plus, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you have to go into the application called Theme Store, right here, and from there you will be able to find a couple of different themes. So let's go for the themes, and here each of these themes have different clock style. And let's say, for example, that I like this one, and what we have to do right now is simply apply to download this theme and wait for the download to complete, and then you are able to change the applicability of this theme. So let's say that we want only this clock style right here, but we don't want this icons and this wallpaper right here. So what we have to do is go for the theme, and we can find also this theme in this category Me, and go for My Resources. And here are all of the themes that we have downloaded. So let's go for the theme, and here we simply have to unselect the icons and home screen wallpaper and only leave the applicability for the lock screen. From here, press apply, and there should appear the regular default theme, and on our lock screen we have this clock style right here. Unfortunately, we cannot change the icons on this on the lock screen or the wallpaper, so we are forced actually to have this wallpaper right here, but it's about the clock. So if you like this clock style, you can leave it like this, and basically that's the only way to do this. Thank you for watching.